I find it very interesting that we think about life in compartments, that we actually think about how we do life, how we work, how we do sport, and also how we practice our well-being rituals, so to speak. We think about it in different ways. We actually categorize them. But that's not actually how the brain works, right? The brain body system is one system and one beautiful system that looks after everything that we do, everything from our birth to our deaths. And along that beautiful path of life, you and I, whatever we do, affects everything else. It's the way the system works. What does this mean? It means that through complex problem solving, by improving your high performance capacity, for example, in your life in general, by enhancing your learning capacity, you also enhance your resilience capacity and your well being. Well being is not in a little corner in your body that requires specific little things. It actually requires a holistic approach. And this is the good news. Mental well being is very dependent on high performance and vice versa.